on this Wednesday morning. I am Morning Mike. Thanks for being with us this morning, and I appreciate having a guest with us this morning, Dr. Helene Wen of Feet and Beyond, 188 Mountain Avenue in Hackettstown. Good morning, Dr. Helene.
Good morning, Mike. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you today?
Good.
That's good. And you and
the cold weather for sure.
Well, I'm glad you're at least one. Just get a smidge closer to that microphone. There you go.
Okay.
But Dr. Helene, we were asking you, first of all, your grand opening is complete and it went well?
It did went excellent. We have Madam Mayor came to did our ribbon cutting, and we have an awesome time with our current patient as well as the community stopped in to check out our new locations. So we open 6 days a week, so we are available for walking as well. So we did great.
Hey, very good. Now, it's 188 Mountain Avenue, so it's in that shopping center with IHOP and Fulton Bank?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, very good, excellent. Now, so let's talk about, you had the grand opening, and you and I were chatting before about finding a place for all of your, items, and it's a little different than your old location. And
Yes, definitely, because it's a new place, a new layout, so the doctors and the staff kind of need to get used with the new arrangement that we have. We do have some muscle memory that we kind of stick around us. It's our age. It's kind of take a while to get adjusting. So, but it's all well.
That's good. That's good. Now we're moving into November and December, and this is something that you have been doing for quite a while at Feet and Beyond, and that is offering free foot exams. So tell us about it.
Well, the reason that we picked out November, December, because it's a holiday time. Most of us that we so busy with holiday, we kind of ignoring our feet, our caring for our health. So that's one of the initiatives that Feet and Beyond want to announce to the public, that we are available for a free foot exam on Thursday on November and December. Anyone who concerned about anything about feet, ankle, even the knees, sometimes that they feel like they gave out on them when they do activity, running around shopping during the holidays. That's one of the main reasons that we want them to come in and give us a little concern, and so we can talk to them 15 minutes with me and my partner. We can give them all the different options, from conservative to the surgical interventions. Nowadays, with all the technology we have, there's no such thing called painful bunion surgery or hammertoes anymore. So we can always do something before that we catch a problem, taking care of it, prevent it before it getting worse. That's for sure.
Yeah, and it's interesting that you had mentioned the fact that you don't. I mean, this is not a lifetime commitment type thing. People can come in. All they need to do is give you a name and a phone number.
That's it. It's very simple.
It's free, so you don't have to worry about is insurance going to cover it or whatever. That's all. That's taken care of.
Right.
Now, and you said basically that people can come on any Thursday, right?
Any Thursday of the month. If just mentioned they heard us from WRNJ, then our staff can gladly put them on schedule to see me. If I got tied up on one of my current scheduled patient and just wait for another 15 or 30 minutes, then I will be with them.
All right, very good. And if you would like to call and make an appointment right away, because tomorrow's a Thursday, 908-576-0880 at Feet and Beyond. Some of the interesting things when you examine people who come in, most times they're making an appointment because they suspect there's something wrong.
Right. Most of the time that when I always tell my first new patients that pain is never normal. For any ages, from as young as, 3 years old to 105, anytime that we have foot pain or any pain on any body part is never normal. So we definitely need to talk about that. We can elaborate it more in detail, explain to them different options that what we need to do. We see a lot of diabetic patients in the area, been diabetic for 20 years plus and never seen by a foot doctor before. So that's something November is a diabetes awareness month. We encourage all the diabetic out there, just come by nearby of any podiatrist or foot doctor's office, just have a routine checkup, annual checkup. Just have a set of eyes, look into the problem. Sometimes you may not know what you find.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. That's very good. And as far as, these exams only take 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, 15 minutes. That's during the examinations and give the patient the recommendation, what will be the appropriate. I also evaluate the footwear Most of the time, we don't pay attention to our shoes.
Right.
The way the shoes wear out, and it's also affect the way we walk. We start compensating. People have previous injury, then start develop a compensation that they may have knee pain, hip pain, back pain most of the time. We do get referral from the local acupuncturists and chiropractors who come to see us just for that evaluation as well.
We're talking with Dr. Helene Wen. Feet and Beyond is at 188 Mountain Avenue in Hackettstown. And the website is feet, the letter N, beyond.com. And 908-576-0880. Dr. Helene, I'm going to ask you a silly question.
Sure.
But have you ever had someone come in whose feet were so ticklish it was tough to do an exam?
I'm sure. And a lot of patients, they got embarrassed because most of the time, believe it or not, our feet is very intimate organ in our body. So a lot of patients got embarrassed especially when I come in as a female doctor.
Yes.
And the patient happened to be male, so they get really shy about that. But you know what? Somebody had to do the job.
Somebody has to do it,
Right.
and it might as well be Dr. Helene.
That's right.
That's interesting, though, that you mentioned that, because that is true. And I mean, Western culture here, we're not so much with that.
Right,
but there
right.
are other places in the world
yes,
where,
yes.
And it's true, though. People, I mean, there are a lot of folks who never wear sandals,
Right,
right.
right.
never wear open-toed shoes.
Right.
And their feet are very, very private. They're
Yes.
somewhat embarrassed, you
Yes,
know.
yes.
So, and it's something, and yet if you put off getting those exams, you just invite more trouble.
That is a key, that promptly prevention is always good, so we're available 6 days a week. So if you need to know, get to know a 411 of your feet, just let us know. We are kind of local podiatrists here, so we have our open doors and welcome everyone.
And very good. And again, I'm glad you mentioned local, because they are in Hackettstown and you've been here for many years.
Yes.
We are chatting with Dr. Helene Wen, Feet and Beyond, 188 Mountain Avenue, Hackettstown, 908-576-0880, feet N, the letter N, beyond.com for more info, and free foot exams
Yes,
during the
and
month, Thursdays
Thursday in November and December.
in December. So if you're thinking about it, make the phone call, get an appointment.
Take care of your feet. Yes.
That's right, exactly. Dr. Helene, thank you so much. We appreciate you coming by. Have yourself a great day and a great couple of months.
Yeah, great. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
All right. We'll talk to you soon.